So it's me and Elizabeth here again. We're walking through the alleys of Nashville. We're kind of scared because we're in the alley and it's dark. Oh, there's somebody coming on a bicycle. Oh no, what's Emily doing? There's poo-poo on the sidewalk. But why are you touching it? Emily. Okay, so sorry about that, our viewers. You probably do not want to see poo-poo on the sidewalk. So we're walking through the alley, right? We've had pretty fun. Have you had pretty fun? Pretty fun here. It's been fun. So yeah, we're in the back streets of Nashville, and we're pretty dangerous stuff here. A lot of stuff going on, sirens going on, and so yeah. So Emily's been taking pictures all day.
I'm a tourist.
Instead of watching people, she's taking pictures of them. Saw a pretty disgusting guy with like tighter pants on than somebody else. But now we're in the dark alley. We're in the dark alley and just don't know where we're going, and we're scared. We're excited, but